Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ina Pandora, and today we are doing a Barbie when rogue kind of makeup, Halloween makeup tutorial. Without rambling too much, we're gonna just jump in. So I primed my eyes with P. Louise eyeshadow base. I did not set it, so on a wet base I'm going in with a purple tone. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the Pro Artistry Face and Body palette from NORVINA. This is the volume 1. So yeah, I'm starting with the shade A3 and I'm going all around the eye socket. Just stamp it, and then with a fluffy brush, I'm going in with the shade A5 and diffuse any harsh edges. We are doing a half cut crease today, so I'm cleaning up the eyelid and I'm going in with the P. Louise base and a flat brush, taking my time, a little streak at a time, to make sure that the line is all straight and I'm ready for the eyeshadow. For the eyelid, I'm going to be using the C1 color from the same palette. This white is intense, I must say, and it's matte, it's not shimmery, so honestly I really like that. Then we're gonna do our eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'm using Hause eyeliner. Really liking that one. The staying power on that eyeliner is amazing. And then I'm going in with the black eyeshadow, D5 from the same palette. And I'm going to intensify the outer corner of the eye in the eyeliner. Then I'm going to go with the primer from Perricone MD, the new one that they just released. Honestly, I am obsessed. I've been using it for a month now, and yeah, that's my #1 at the moment. As for the foundation, I'm using the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, 24 hours stay. Honestly, since I tried it, I never looked back. The best foundation, drugstore foundation, hands down. Then I'm using the Catrice highlight and contour stick. Again, hands down, the best contour stick for light skin. It blends like a charm. This one is a number 10 light, absolutely perfect for my skin tone. Blends like a charm, leaves a perfect contour, not too much, not overpowering, and yeah, it's a perfect color. Without mentioning the price point on it is amazing too. For the blush, I'm using Laura Mercier in the shade Strawberry. I think this shade is absolutely perfect for this makeup. I do like that it's not overly pigmented, so you can build up the color as you need as you go. So yeah, love their blushes. For the under eye, I'm starting again with the shade A3 from NORVINA palette, and then I am blending it out with the A5. Then I'm gonna go with the black eyeliner. I love this one from Milani. It's very soft, very easy to work with, and it's an intense black. So I am going to do a tight line and also underneath. Then we're gonna pop up some lashes. Now, I don't remember where I got the lashes from, but any big doll-like lashes will work for this look. For the lips, I'm using Milani matte liquid lipstick and a Stila glossy lipstick, to which this combo is amazing. I am going to leave down below all the details on every product that I've been using today. Now, I was trying to decide which wig I'm gonna go for today, and even though I like both of them, I think this one actually fit better the look that we're going for Barbie. I think that's a little more appropriate for the look. If you guys want more details how I install my wigs, let me know in the comments. I might do a separate video on that, but other than that, I really like the quality of this wig. I got it on Amazon and it was pretty affordable too. Since we're going for the Barbie gone wrong, I am going to apply some water stickers on my face, and voila, it actually worked. I wasn't sure if it's gonna work on top of the powders and so on, but it did. I was so stoked and so excited about it, as you can tell. I did get those stickers on Amazon. They're super cheap, so yeah, when you are looking for something real quick, those are perfect solution. To make them more realistic, I added some coagulated blood all over it to make it a little more gross. Now, I wasn't impressed about the splash blood, so I'm not going to recommend that. I think Mehron has better options and they're pretty affordable too. And this completes the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next one. Bye!